Hi everyone, welcome to another video of Show Me the Stuff Inside. Today I'm gonna show you the Cars Trilogy Steelbooks I bought this from Zavi.com. I don't know if these are still available, but if they are not, who cares? One day they are going to release a new one with a 4K disc inside. But these are from Disney, from Pixar, yeah, from creators of Toy Story, and we have the Lightning McQueen in every front cover, and of course all the gang behind. So let's start to see a closer look from the steelbooks. We know the story, great animated movies. Ooh, I like it. Okay, we have it. Disney Pixar Cars. I like the title, and of course the front picture with McQueen and all the others back. At the side we have Disney Pixar Cars, and back we have McQueen covered and his smile. He smiles. Yeah, I like this picture. It's, he's hiding something, but the back is very good. And also inside we have the movie. It's just 2D, and the McQueen driving at the road. Great movies for kids, and not only for kids, but it's Disney. And then let's go to Cars 2. We can see that we are at the racing track, and we have a race, and McQueen it's first, of course. Who else? Not even the Formula 1 car behind. We have again the same picture from the title, Cars, Disney Pixar, Cars 2 at the side, and back we have McQueen and, oh, I don't remember his name, with the signs. They are going Tokyo, London, Roma, Moscow, Berlin, Madrid, Paris. Yeah, it's good, but not like the first one. And inside we have the movie again. And so inside the picture, it's from all over the countries they travel, like London, Italy, that's Tokyo, Roma, Moscow, Berlin, Madrid, and Paris. It's a nice picture inside. And last we have the Cars 3. This edition includes also the 3D of the movie. And I have to say that the front cover looks much, better, not like childish like the others. It's more like grow up. And also I like the picture. We have the McQueen and he's driving through water and it's splashed with the tire. We have Cars 3 up the side, and back we have the others racing, following him. And we have the 3D edition of the movie. We have also a bonus Blu-ray disc and the movie in 2D edition, very good. And we have McQueen raising his enemy here. What car is this? Anyway, of course he is an Oscar car, but this looks like a Pagani or the Cadillac something, I don't remember. Okay, the steelbook is beautiful. It's not like the other two, but it's very good. So if you like these steelbooks, check the zavi.com if these are still available and in very good price. And that was the steelbook edition of Cars Trilogy. I don't know if they ever gonna release a fourth movie, but you never know, it's Disney. Thank you for watching, subscribe, like, comment and share, and see you at my next video.